What's the meaning of buckeye? Bucky. Bucky.
Buckeye. Buckeye. The term buckeye can refer to a few different things. It is commonly used to describe a type of tree or shrub that is known for its distinctive nuts, which are shiny and brown with a light-colored spot on them. The nuts are toxic when raw but can be edible when properly prepared. Additionally, buckeye can also refer to a person from the state of Ohio, which is nicknamed the Buckeye State. The root of this term comes from the buckeye tree, which is native to Ohio and was historically used to make wooden buttons that resembled the eye of a buck deer.